Let's get started with split screen and Notability. That's right, you heard me right. There's actually split screen and Notability. It's one of my favorite go-to things about this app. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to open up one of your note pages that you're going to start taking notes. But at the same time, you've got to read a document. So if you gently slide over, you'll see that you can see all of your notes. You don't have to split with a reading material. You could split and look at two notes simultaneously to study. But for this assignment, I need to do a reading and take some notes. So I'm going to grab that reading and I'm going to drag it and I'm going to drop it. Now that you have your split screen, you have your reading on one side and notes on the other. You can notice that the landscape is a little bit smaller. You can always expand it, so writing will become a little bit easier this way. And if you need to, you can toggle this right here to shift on the space to give you a little bit more room. Now, we're going to scroll down and look for section 1, which is right here with finding number 1. You're going to go ahead and title. You can be as creative or not as you so choose. So I'm just going to title this Finding Number 1. I'm using my calligraphy pen just because I like the cool swirls that it gives to me. Then, because this is a header, I'm going to add some color a little bit to it to make it stand out. And now I've got a nice section header. At this point, you can just continue taking notes. With this, too, the other feature that some students find handy is hitting the plus at the bottom. This is kind of like a screen enlargement. You can also then, once you get your title in, you can then toggle over so that you can find where you're writing and how. It also has a return feature to get to the next line. Some students really enjoy the editing tool. Me, myself, I like handwriting. So again, one thing I really do encourage is just blowing up your paper just so you can formulate your letters more clearly. So with that, we're going to slide this off and we're going to go back to our notes. You can see in my telling stories, I have 3 documents. And if we blow this one up, it's math. It's in the wrong folder. So now what do? Really quite simple. You're going to hold on to it, drag and just drop it into the section that you need. If we go back again to telling stories, again, I have this in the wrong folder. I'm going to just go drop and drag. And now all of my notes are organized. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks with the iPad. Until next time.